the Ford Escort 1300e at 50. Oh, the Ford Escort 1300e, a true masterpiece, carrying the Covenant E badge, symbolising excellence and sophistication.
It certainly catches your eye. Tell me more about it.
Well, the 1300e was introduced in 1973, based on the iconic Mk1 body shell. It features rectangular headlamps and luxurious lights, giving it that distinctive appearance, and those wider wheels with those chunky chrome rims adds a touch of sportiness.
I see. What's the interior?
Oh, the interior is where the 1300e truly shines. It's equipped with deep pile carpets, extra sounding insulation, and a unique centre console, and a GT pod instrument gauge, and a 3-spoke steering wheel, elevating the driving experience. And of course, all that wood trim around the dash and on the door panels, just a touch of class.
Steve, it sounds like they spared no expense in making it comfortable and stylish.
Absolutely, Ford wanted to create a statement, so they offered the 1300e in 2 bold metallic colours, purple velvet and metallic amber. And did you know many of these colours were actually built at the AVO plant in South Ockington?
That's interesting, Steve, but what about the exterior details?
Well mate, the front of the car features the GT styling, rectangular headlamps and those distinctive Lucas spot lamps. Side repeaters or black or white 3-pinned coach line running the full length of the car, giving it that unique look. Full length chrome bumpers with chrome overriders, along with chrome mirrors, window edging strips and seals, and adds an extra touch of elegance.
I can see it stands out. What about the rear?
At the rear, the 1300e comes with a pair of reversing lamps as standard, and to make this little baby stand out, Ford has added an E badge not only to the front wings but to the rear quarter wings as well. And of course, the roof comes with a covering in black vinyl.
It's beautiful. Tell me about the performance then, Steve.
Under the hood, the 1300e shares the same 72 bhp 1.3 litre cross-flow engine as the Sport and the GT models. Paired with the close ratio gearbox, it can go from 0 to 60 in just over 13 seconds, with a top speed claimed at 93 miles an hour.
Well, impressive. This car seems to have it all. I can see an E badge carried such prestige.
Yes mate, indeed. Its perfect blend of style, comfort, performance. The Ford Escort 1300e is a true icon of its time, designed for those who appreciate the better things of life.
Well, it's certainly convinced me. I think it's time to take this little beauty for a test drive.
Excellent choice mate. I'll get the keys and make this the memorable experience. And if you like this type of video, please subscribe and please share, and we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!
And luxury is the new dimension which we shall be bringing to the Escort, when on March the 1st we launch the 1300e. The Escort 1300e will be a head-turner on the road and in the showroom. The interior is comfortable and tasteful. You'll feel at home straight away. Genuine polished wood is featured on the door cappings, the fascia, and the instruments around. The well-shaped seats are taken from the Escort GT, but with fabric trim as standard. Fabric's warmth in winter and coolness in summer are important customer benefits, and it not only looks good, it feels good. Another feature good to the touch is the carpeting. The floor is fully covered in rich cut pile carpet, which adds to the quality of the surroundings. At the front, rectangular headlamps, auxiliary halogen lamps, black grille and full-width bumper. Side repeat flashes are fitted on the front wings. The wheels are both sporty and elegant. Bright metal rim embellishers add a unique touch. The 165 by 13 radial tyres cover a wide 5-inch rim. The payoff is superb road holding, which matches the excellent performance. The engine is the same 1300 GT unit fitted to the Sport and GT models. Performance is virtually identical to that of the Sport. A top speed of 99 miles per hour and 0 to 60 in 12.8 seconds. Additional sound dampening material under the bonnet helps to damp down the decibels. A black vinyl roof enhances the exterior appearance and sets off the fashionable and unique purple metallic body color. 2 other elegant metallics, amber gold and Venetian gold, will be available after launch. The stylish triple coach line will instantly identify the 1300e. The Escort 1300e is luxurious, comfortable, roomy, fun to drive, and value for money. It moves into the marketplace on March the 1st. Make sure you back this certain winner.